Health Record Module. Every time a patient visits the doctor, it is the doctor's priority and duty to maintain a record of that particular visit. The healthcare module enables you to do the same. Log into your account. The list of existing patients with the healthcare institution is displayed in the home page. Here, you can click on any patient's name to reach the patient's profile page. You can click on the Health Record or New Health Record button available in the page, or select Health Record from left side menu and click on the New Health Record. You can view the complete list of health records of your patients here. This search bar can be used to search and select patients. This search bar can be used by administrators to search for hospital doctors and users and search for the health records created by them. Selecting a patient and doctor simultaneously will help you to view health records created by that particular doctor for the chosen patient. Click on the More button to view more records. The Report button is available to generate various reports for the health records created. Let us remove the patient and the doctor to generate a report for all health records. Click on the Report button and select the Date filter to generate reports based on the selected duration. Click on the Status filter to select the preferred status and generate reports based on them. Select the preferred patient and click on the New Health Record to create an EHR for the patient. In the Health Record page, you can view the details of the patient and the provider. Here, we provide our users with the option to drag and drop modules as per their preferred workflow. You can also click on the Show More button at the bottom of the EHR page and select the modules that you prefer to add or remove the required modules as per your requirement. Please note that modules with data cannot be hidden. Let's start recording details to the EHR. The Visit Reason module. Click on the Add icon here to enter the description of the visit reason. If the doctor feels that this particular reason could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Click on Save to save the information. Once the information is stored, you can notice that the EHR ID is generated. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite visit reasons, stored and labels created. Clicking on Ellipsis icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Clicking on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time before completing the health record if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save. Click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. The Vitals module. Click on the Add button to enter the vital reading individually. You can add multiple vital readings by clicking on the Add Multiple button. Click on the Add button and select your preferred vital readings from the drop-down. Let's select Weight and enter the reading. You can also select your preferred unit from the drop-down. Click on Save to save the details. Select Height and enter the readings and select your preferred unit from the drop-down. Click on Save to save the details. Now you can notice that BMI readings are available. This is an automatic reading which will be available once the weight and height details are stored. The unique feature of the Allergy, Social History, Family Health and Alert module is that once data is stored to these modules, they can be available in any future records of this module unless it is removed. This has been done because of the significance of the data stored to all those modules and the significance it carries in clinical decision making. The Allergy module. Click on the Add icon here to enter the information. Select the preferred allergy type. The allergen details can be recorded here. RX norm and norm codes, which are universally recognized database codes, can be accessed here. In the allergen field, enter the required code and select from the drop-down list, or the user can manually enter the allergen details if required. Enter reaction to the allergy specified. We use norm codes here, and details can be manually entered here too. Click on Save to save information, and if you wish to continue adding more allergy details, click on Save and Add option. Click on More option to add additional fields to record more information. Click on Save and Add option to record additional allergy details. If the user wants to delete any added fields with data, double-click on Close option adjacent to the respective field, and that field will be removed permanently. Click once to remove if field is empty. Click on the Save button to save details. Social History module. Here you can click on the Add icon to add details along with the social history type, description and from date. Family Health module. Here you can click on the Add icon to add details along with the relationship type. The description field is supported with the ICD-10 normed CD code database, which is universally recognized codes databases. Details can be manually entered too. Alert module. Here you can click on the Add icon to add a description of the alert, and visibility of the alert can be updated. Attach File module. Here you can select the file type, enter a description, the source for the file can be added. You can choose to capture an image or upload a picture. Inpatient module. The admission date and discharge date can be selected. You can choose the admission type, enter the room number and discharge summary. Implantable Devices module. The device details can be added with the UDI number, and the implant date, status and notes can be recorded. Problems module. These details can be added with the ICD and normed codes, which are universally recognized database of medical codes. The user can also type a few characters and search for the codes from the database. The users are also provided with the options to enter details manually. The favorite options can be used here. An educational link is also available to refer for more information regarding the problem entered. You can click on the Save button to save details. Click on the Save and Add to save the information and open a new form of Add Another Problem. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. Symptom modules. Here you can record details using ICD-10 codes or enter details manually along with the from date. Favorite folder can be accessed to view previously saved symptom favorites, and clicking on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. Procedure module. Here you can enter the preferred code type, search and select codes from the chosen code type, enter a description and status and save details. Goals module. Enter the goal description, start date and click on Save. Advanced Directive modules. Select the preferred type and record the assessment or plan of treatment for the patient. Status module. Here you can record the cognitive and functional status of the patient. You can access the favorite folders and record the status details for the patient. Test Order module. Here you can record details using the LONIC code database, which is a universally recognized medical codes databases. An additional option, Test Code, is also available, which provides users to select from the previously added and uploaded codes from the setting page. Details can also be manually entered. Favorite option can also be used here. An educational link is also available to refer for more information regarding the test entered. You can click on the Save button to save details. Click on the Save and Add to save the information and open a new form to add another problem. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. To enter results for the result, click on the Add icon available in the test order. Enter the code, result, unit, curate range and mark it if it is abnormal and click on Save. Medication module. Here you can record details using the RX norm code database, which is universally recognized medical codes databases. An additional option, medicational code, is also available, which provides users to select from the previously added and uploaded codes from the settings page. You can enter the strength, quantity and directions for use for the selected drug. An educational link is also available to refer for more information regarding the medication entered. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. Note module. References notes related to the visit can be recorded here. You can access the Favorites folder and click on the Add icon to import details into the EHR. Vaccine module. Here you can update as taken date or reminder date, update the date. Vaccine CVX codes can be used here. Notes can be added and the More button can be used to add more fields for information to be recorded as required. Physical examination module. Click on Upload to upload an image. Click on Draw to highlight any details in the uploaded file. You can enter the name, findings and notes. You can use the More button to add more fields for information to be recorded as required. Forms module. Here the user can record details to the forms created by them for the settings page. Referral module. Here you can refer the patient to doctors who are already a member of your organization. You can also refer external doctors who are both already a part of the 75health.com or not by entering their names, email ID and phone. Referral notes can also be entered. Favorite doctors can also be accessed from the favorite folder and imported into the EHR. This is a brief introduction of how each module in the EHR page can be used. The complete option can be used to complete the EHR and restrict it from any further edits by any user, indicating that the status of the visit is complete. Click on Delete and confirm the delete of all entries made to the current EHR. The print option can be used to print the EHR details. There are options to print the details completely or modules stored to certain modules separately. There are few additional options from the Show More button. You can use the Show Timestamp option to view details of the user and time or date during when each detail can be added to the EHR. This option is automatically activated if the inpatient module is used. The Reset Setting option can be used to reverse the changes made to the EHR modules and return them to its default view. Clicking on Billing will help the user to create an invoice for the EHR. Details stored in the EHR will be available under the Used in EHR section. You can click on the Add icon and import them into the invoice. You can also notice that the EHR ID is automatically populated to the Notes section. Items can be edited and the payment details can be updated. Let's complete the EHR. The password of the user is required here. The option to update the complete date to a previous date is also available. Once completed, you can notice that the details entered cannot be edited. They can only be viewed, downloaded and printed. Only one module which is an exemption is the amendment. Details can be recorded both before and after completing the EHR. This module can be used to record any amendment request from the EHR for various sources. Amendment module. Here you can select the source, enter the description, select the status and enter the reason for the status. You can scroll to the top of the page and click on the print icon to print the health record, and click on the ellipsis icon and click on the Export CCD option to export a complete CCD copy of the patient. Now let us see how a follow-up visit works. Click on the Health Record option from the left side menu. You can view the already created EHR and click on the New Health Record to add details regarding the follow-up visit. Here you can view a few details stored during the previous visit here. As already conveyed, details stored to the allergy, social history, family health and alert will be available in all health records to refer. Problems. You can view the previously stored problem. Clicking on the problem will provide you with the option to confirm whether it was cured or not. Similar option is also available for the symptom module. This provides the doctor with an option to quickly familiarize with the past health history of the patient. Once these details are cured or completed, they are moved to the past folder available in each module. For certain modules, it is automatically moved to the past folder. Click on the ellipsis icon and select Past Cured Symptoms to view previously cured symptoms. You can also click on the Add icon and import these to the EHR page. You can store details to the medication modules from the Favorites folder. Click on Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Print icon. Here you can click on Health Record to print complete details, including the past details that have not been cured or completed. Click on the Visit Record button to print details or details stored to the current EHR alone. Referrals can also be completed. Medication module. Here you can click on the ellipsis icon to view a few more options. The e-prescribe option can be activated and used by our users from US to electronically prescribe drugs to pharmacies directly. The email pharmacy option can be used to add pharmacy details and share descriptions directly. A similar option is available in the test order module too. Here tests can be shared directly to labs. Now let's record a vital information and click on the graph icon to view a graphical representation of the vital recording so far. Database filters can be used here too. Click on the tabular option, view the readings in a table view. You can also view the details in a maximized view. The option is available in the test order module too. Once an EHR ID is generated, the option to schedule a follow-up from the health record page is available. Click on the Add button, select the date and click on the Fix Appointment button to navigate to the calendar for the date and select the preferred time slot and click on Save. Once again, let us complete this health record.